Hello everyone, welcome to the case study video. So today we are going to discuss about the stages of team. So this is a case study. So in terms of case study, what are all the stages required for successful functioning of the team? So let us discuss various stages. So this is the flowchart or case study picture which shows about the various stages of team development. So it is developed by Tuckman. So we have 5 stages starting from forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjuring. So forming is a stage where the team acquaints and they establish the rules and formalities required for the successful functioning of the team. So in this case, the team members will be considered as strangers. So during farming stage, they'll clarify the roles, they'll build the goals, then establish the timeline for each goal, then identify and assign the task for the given uh, goals. Then the tools and technology can be used, and time management. Everything will be fixed in the farming stage. In the case study, second stage is storming. So the members are start to communicate their feelings. They'll share their views each other rather than uh, in the single way communication. It is a two-way communication. They'll share the ideas themselves and which is used for the fruitful functioning of the process. So in the storming stage, they'll communicate and collaborate. They'll negotiate the ideas, resolve if any conflicts between the people. If there is any conflicts or morale between the people, that can be resolved. Then give effective feedback for the functioning of the team. Then escalate appropriately. The tools can be used. Then they'll ask, speak, listen themselves. And the third stage is norming. The people uh, feel part of the team and they'll realize that they'll achieve their work with a stipulated time period. So in this case, they will reflect the group process. They'll do experiments based on the trial and error method and they'll learn from the experiment and they'll test the assumptions and conduct the interim check-ins and they will present the outcome for the any process. And the fourth stage is the performing stage. The actual performance will happen. The team will works uh, openly to the atmosphere without having any flexibility and to the reach of hierarchy level. So in this case also, the same thing will be happen. That is reflection of group process. They will conduct the experiment and they will assess the experiment. From the experiment, they'll set the assumptions and the solutions required for the uh, entire process. Then the final stage is adjourning stage. So in this stage, the team conducts an assessment of in terms of year. So for a particular year, how much profit they are gaining. As per the plan, we are going or not. Everything can be analyzed in the adjourning stage. So after this stage, they'll take an action or corrective measures. They'll find out the root cause for the problem and they'll take the corrective measures and they'll share the lessons when they learned for solving the problems. And self group evaluations can be done. The, in a company, we have many groups. That company groups can be evaluated, and the individual persons they are also evaluated with the help of this assessment. So the adjourning stage is the assessment stage. So these are all the various stages which is required to form a team. And these are all the references. So I hope this video will be useful for stages, forming of stages for the successful functioning of the team. Thanks for watching the